Sum number 17. Charles, Muthu and Seher are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:4:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st December 2018 is as under liabilities, assets. Capital accounts Charles, Muthu, Seher. Workman compensation fund 27,000. So workman compensation fund admission la pathone workman compensation fund account debtor to partners capital account. So the 27,000 rupees இந்த ரேஷியோல நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணி capital accountல enter பண்ணிடணும். Next one sundry creditors 33,000. Furniture, stock, debtors, cash at bank, then profit and loss. Profit and loss account asset side இருக்கிறனால இது வந்து loss. So all the partners capital account debtor to profit and loss account. So அந்த 18,000 நம்ம வந்து old ratioல share பண்ணி partners எடுத்துக்க போறாங்க. On 1/1/2019, Charles retired from the partnership firm on the following arrangements. Stock to be appreciated by 10%. Stock asset value increased. So இது வந்து profit item. Furniture to be depreciated by 5%. Furniture asset value decreased. So loss item. To provide 1,000 for bad debts. இதுவும் loss. Next one. There is an outstanding repairs rupees 11,000 yet not recorded. Outstanding repairs liabilities unrecorded liabilities. So இதுவும் நமக்கு வந்து loss item. Liabilities ஓட value increase ஆகுது அப்படின்றதால இது வந்து loss item. The final amount due to Charles was paid by check. So final settlement Charlesக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டிய amount வந்து நம்ம check மூலமா கொடுக்கிறோம். Retaining partners capital account debtor to bank account. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. So இது வந்து நம்ம revaluation account prepare பண்ணனும், capital account prepare பண்ண போறோம், then balance sheet prepare பண்றோம். So stock value appreciated. Stock value 40,000. 40,000 into 10/100. So 4,000 rupees increased. Furniture value 20,000. 20,000 into 5/100. So 1,000 rupees decreased. Provision for doubtful debts 1,000 rupees. Outstanding repairs 11,000. So stock only profit item, others are loss. Revaluation account. By stock rupees amount 4,000 profit item. Then furniture value 1,000. Provision for doubtful debts 1,000. Outstanding repairs 11,000. So debit side total 13,000, credit side total 4,000. So debit side 13,000 minus 4,000. So loss on revaluation 9,000. Profit sharing ratio 3:4:2. 7 plus 2 9. Profit loss on revaluation 9,000 into 3/9. 9,000 into 4/9 and 9,000 into 2/9. 1,000. So 1,000 into 3, 3,000 and 4,000 and 2,000. So loss on revaluation, Charles capital account 3,000, Muthu's capital account 4,000, Seher capital account 2,000, total 9,000. Next step capital account by balance brought down 30,000, 40,000 and 20,000. 30,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Workman compensation fund amount 27,000. So 27,000 into 3/9, 4/9, 2/9, 3,000. 3,000 into 3, 9,000. 3,000 into 4, 12,000. 3,000 into 2, 6,000. So 9,000, 12,000 and 6,000. Then debit side profit and loss account, total amount 18,000. 18,000 into 3 by 9. 18,000 into 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 2 by 9, 2,000. 2,000 into 3, 6,000, 8,000, 4,000. So profit and loss account 6,000, 8,000 and 4,000. Revaluation account loss 3,000, 4,000 and 2,000. So credit side total 39,000, 52,000 and 26,000. Debit side total Charles 9,000. Charles are retaining partner. 39,000 minus 9,000, 30,000. Charles amount paid immediately by check. So to bank account 30,000. Then 52,000 minus 12,000, balance carried on 40,000. 26,000 minus 6,000, 20,000. Next is the balance sheet asset side. Furniture value 20,000, depreciation 1,000, so outer column 19,000. Stock value 40,000, appreciation 4,000, so 44,000. Debtors 30,000 less provision for bad debts 1,000, so balance 29,000. Cash at bank 42,000. The 42,000 la retiring partner Charlesக்கு நம்ம 30,000 செக் பே பண்ணிட்டோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ அதனால அமௌண்ட் வந்து நம்ம மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். பேலன்ஸ் அமௌண்ட் 12,000. இப்போ பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் நமக்கு எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் இருக்குது? 12,000. தென் liability side capital account Muthu and Shekhar 40,000, 20,000, total 60,000. Creditors 33,000. Outstanding repairs 11,000. So both side total 1,04,000. Sum number 17. Kannan, Rahim and John are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. The balance sheet as on 31st December 2019 was as follows. Liabilities, capital accounts, workman compensation fund, creditors. So workman compensation fund journal entry, workman compensation fund account debtor to all the partners capital account. So 30,000 divided into 5 by 10, 3 by 10 and 2 by 10. Then asset side buildings, machinery, debtors, stock, cash at bank, profit and loss account. So profit and loss account asset side இருந்துச்சுன்னா loss. So journal entry all the partners capital account debtor to profit and loss account. 20,000 into 5 by 10, 3 by 10 and 2 by 10. John retires on 1st January 2018 subject to the following conditions. To appreciate building by 10%. So building asset appreciated profit. So profit item. Stock to be depreciated by 5%. So loss. Provide ₹1,000 for bad debts, loss. Unrecorded liability recorded. So இதுவும் loss. The retaining partner shall be paid immediately. So retaining partnerக்கு immediate pay பண்ணிடுறோம். ஸோ இதில் வந்து கேஷாக பேங்கான்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணல, பட் கொஸ்டினில் உங்களுக்கு இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க? பேங்க். ஸோ இதையும் நம்ம பேங்க் மூலமாக தான் பே பண்ணுறோம். Prepare revaluation account, capital account, and balance sheet of the firm after retirement. Buildings value 90,000. 90,000 into 10 by 100. So 9,000 increased. Stock value 20,000. 20,000 into 5 by 100. So 1000 rupees loss. Then provision for doubtful 1000 rupees, unrecorded liabilities 8000. Solution revaluation account by building account 9000. Stock account 1000 rupees. Provision for doubtful debts 1000. Unrecorded liabilities 8000. So credit side total. So total 10,000. 10,000 minus 1,000. Loss on revaluation 1,000. So loss on revaluation 1,000 distributed to all the partners into 5 by 10. 1,000 into 3 by 10 into 2 by 10. 500, 300 and 200. So Kannan's capital account 500, Rahim's capital account 300, John capital account 200. Then capital account by balance brought down 1 lakh, 80,000 and 40,000. Workman compensation fund amount 30,000 into 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. So 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. So 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. Debit side, profit and loss account, total amount 20,000. 20,000 into 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. So profit and loss account 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Revaluation account loss 500, 300 and 200. So credit side total 1,15,000, 89,000, 46,000. Debit side Kannan account 10,500, Rahim 6,300, John 4,002. So retiring partner John. So John can amount நம்ம immediate pay பண்ணிரோம். So 46,000 minus 4,200, 41,800 to bank account. Then other continuing partners 89,000 minus 6,300, 82,700. Then 1,15,000 minus 10,500, 1,04,500. Then balance brought down Kannan 1,04,500, Rahim 82,700 and John put dash. Balance sheet liability side capital Kannan and Rahim 1,04,000 plus 82,700, 1,97,200. Creditors 20,000. Unrecorded liabilities 8,000. Asset side buildings appreciated value 9,000, 99,000. Debtors 30,000 minus 1,000, 29,000. Stock 20,000 minus 1,000, 19,000. Machinery 60,000. Cash at bank 50,000. Then amount paid to John 41,800. So balance 8,200. So both side total 2,15,200. $2,15,200. Thank you, students.